go with your lunch.
What kind of other hummuses are there?
Well, they make little mini packets of the roasted red pepper and the classic.
Guys, I'm taking a video of you
I
guys.
like the roasted garlic.
Yeah, make the roasted garlic and then you can.
Oh,
Let's go.
hey, mommy, I'm making a video of you. Stay. This is my mom. Hey, say hi to the people. Say hi to people.
Chica.
This is my sister over here. She's name's Tia, and then this is right over here is Autumn. And this is my mom. She's named Sarah.
Wait, roasted red pepper is good too. I know. Roasted red pepper is really good.
Okay.
That's my
Okay.
favorite to have on
This
toast.
is Mommy, can I say all the names for this?
Mm-hmm.
So what's the first one? Please tell me.
This is classic. This is roasted red pepper. This is roasted garlic. And this is
Jalapeno cilantro.
Okay.
cilantro jalapeno.
Done.
Cilantro jalapeno.